Welcome! In today's video, we're talking about sarcopenia, a common yet often overlooked condition that affects muscle health as we age. We'll explore what sarcopenia is, its causes, treatment options, precautions, and ways to manage it. Let's dive in. Sarcopenia is the gradual loss of muscle mass, strength, and function that typically occurs with aging. It's more than just a natural part of growing older. Sarcopenia can reduce your mobility, make daily tasks harder, and even increase the risk of falls and fractures. Understanding it can help prevent complications and maintain a good quality of life. Several factors contribute to sarcopenia. The most common causes include aging. Our bodies naturally lose muscle mass as we age, especially after age 50. Sedentary lifestyle. Lack of physical activity is a significant risk factor. Poor nutrition, low protein intake can weaken muscles. Hormonal changes, reduced levels of hormones like testosterone and growth hormone also play a role. Chronic illnesses, conditions like diabetes and inflammatory diseases can accelerate muscle loss. The good news is that sarcopenia can be managed and, in some cases, improved. Here are some effective treatments. Exercise. Regular resistance training or strength exercises are the most effective. Protein-rich diet. Consuming adequate protein supports muscle growth and repair. Supplements. Vitamin D and creatine are often recommended, but check with your doctor first. Hormone therapy. In certain cases, hormone therapy may be an option, but it comes with risks and should only be considered under medical supervision. Taking simple precautions can go a long way in preventing or managing sarcopenia. Here are some precautions to keep in mind. Stay active. Even light activity, like walking or stretching, helps maintain muscle strength. Balanced diet. Ensure you're getting enough protein, healthy fats, and carbs. Regular checkups. Monitor your health with your doctor, especially if you have conditions that could contribute to sarcopenia. To sum up, sarcopenia is a muscle loss condition that impacts many people as they age. With the right exercise, nutrition, and precautions, you can help prevent or manage sarcopenia effectively. Taking action now can help ensure a healthier, more active life well into your golden years. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video with others. Let's help each other stay healthy and strong.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments and share.